Hi everyone and welcome to Algebra 1 on our online classroom here. I just want to kind of take you around and show you exactly what we have going on. So the easiest thing for you to do is going to be to go to the Classwork section here. And in here you can see I've posted the expectations for the classroom, which we went over in our welcome video with the parents. So if you want to look at that, or if you want to show your parents that again, that shows you how everything's graded, and it shows you all the materials you need and what you need to do daily. Also in here I have your assignment sheet for the year. It's organized by chapter. So as you can see, it lists everything, even our quizzes, and when we'll have partner worksheets. So if you miss a day and you know what we did the day before, like let's say yesterday we did lesson 0.7 and 8, then you know that today's lesson would then be a quiz. So that is all in here too. Then underneath lessons is where I'll put all of the links for the YouTube videos for each of the lessons that we'll do each day. Under here will be the assessment checks. So after you've done the homework, then you'll be able to try your problems here to actually get graded for those. And then I also will post under here the tests and quizzes. And once we get going, I'll organize them by chapter, so they'll be really easy for you to find. Here's the grades tab, which we don't have any assignments right now, so we can't see that, but that's where you'll find all your grades. On the stream is where I'll put like more announcements. It'll show your upcoming work here. So once I assign something, it'll show you exactly what I expect from you. And any other announcements will be posted here in order of when they were posted by the timestamp. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I expect you to look at this like we talked about in our first video. Look at this every day. Please let me know if you have any questions. And we'll see you soon.